Yesterday we didn't get anything. There's one. Finally, Jesus. Smallmouth probably. He's fighting real good. Yeah, look at him. Smallmouth. First fish, smallmouth. Yeah, he took the Senko off, but
we got one.
Our first creek smallie. They're right over there. Caught right on top of the mouth. Smallie right there. It's just a little guy, but he fought really good, dude. These things fight way harder than largemouth, to be honest. Because that felt like a 5-pound largemouth. I'm not kidding. I took my Senko off. Right there in that pool. I told you they're here.
Yeah.
You just need to throw the right baits.
I think we got the right stuff.
Oh, we do. There's crayfish. Look, these worms look like crayfish, and there's so many crayfish in this stream. It's not even funny. I think I threw it like right there. If there's one, there's more than one. Yeah, I'm sitting here because I don't feel like searching for them. They all seem kind of small here, but
they're still good.
They fight pretty good.
They're back.
Yeah. Once you hook into one, it's way better biting a largemouth, in my opinion. I mean, they fight more. Keep getting them. Yes.
All right. Smallmouth.
Here's no smallmouth right there, guys.
Check out the Senko.
No big deal. Look at that. Here, get closer up on him. When I was trying to get the cameras off, I turned it on right away. These are probably the biggest one, dude. Yeah, look at that one. That's a good size. They're a little chunky, dude. So there's Noah's, and there's mine. These dudes. See ya, dudes. Three smallmouth. Noah's got one, I got two. The one I just caught, my camera wasn't on until I was reeling it in. Sorry about that, but we still got it on camera, me reeled it in. That one was pretty big. You could tell. It's not the biggest one I caught in here, but of the day, it's the biggest one, because the biggest one I caught in here is almost 3 pounds. And it's right over there where I'm looking, about half a mile down. That we're gonna probably go over there in about 10 minutes, after we get a little bit more of these smallmouths. We're gonna walk over there in the high grass and see if those big ones are over there. But they are getting bigger, it seems like. I just bet you they're just waiting for, they're just waiting probably for this crayfish to freaking snack on.
I got another.
Nice. Oh, I saw that. I saw it. I saw it. That was cool. I got one. Oh my God, I'm getting a bite. You can feel them like they bite it. Yeah, there we go. He's biting it again. Yeah, got him. Nice. It might be a rock bass this time, I don't know. Look at him, whoa.
Smallmouth.
Yep, smallie.
We'll take him.
Fourth one, boys, we'll take this one. Whoa, calm down, bud. That's the fourth one of the day. Ow, I got finned. I love getting finned.
He bit me. The one that I put back.
Look at that, guys. Freaking monster. I'm gonna do one more cast and we'll head over there. You did? Nice. Yeah, we can walk like over there, like on the edge.
That'll work. Got one.
Oh, I'll try to get one more before we go.
Got him on. Try to cast like near here. This is where they.
Where are they at?
Like near there.
Probably underneath this tree. Like right there. I think they're like waiting for the bait to come down the stream for them to eat it. I bet you in the fall time too, we can come down here and get some nice fish. Got one. That looks like a good one. Biggin. 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 That's a good one. Whoa. Yeah, oh my God, dude. That's a biggin. Oh my God. Okay, that's a biggin. Look at that. Look at that one, dude. Here and fish the rest of the day because got a biggin here. Oh, dude, go over there. Go over there. That's a big smallmouth. Oh my God. Do you see that? Huge, huge wake. Probably a huge smallmouth chasing a crayfish. So we're over here trying to see what it is. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna throw left, you throw in the middle. We're just gonna stay here the rest of the time because that thing was a big wake, wasn't it? Basically waiting in this with my gym shoes on. All right, dude, I'm trying to see where he is.
I feel like if the fish are helping you.
Yeah.
We're not gonna do that like this way.
He was swimming right here. Alright, should be good. I don't want to spook him. So I'm going to try to throw underneath this tree. These rocks are very, very wet. Very freaking slippery. That thing was a monster. He's probably further down now.
I feel like we'd be fine with water.
Yeah, should be good.
One, we haven't heard any more reports.
Got one.
Got it?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I don't know what it is. Might be, I think it's a rock bass.
Please be a big one. Come on.
No, it's a little tiny smallie.
Nice.
They're everywhere on this.
Okay, we'll take them.
Take them. 6'1", right?
Yeah, 3 more.
Right here, guys. Smallie. Look at that, dude. Oh, see ya, dude. Got one? Yeah. Keep reeling it in. Nice, dude. Yeah. Is that a largie? That's a rocky.
All right, we got a rock there.
Right in front of the. There we go, guys. Noah's second fish.
Rock bass.
Rock bass right there, boys. Nice. That's 7. I probably just missed him and you got him. Oh, I missed another one, I think. There we go. That's a good one. Good smallmouth. No, good rock bass. Nice. Doubled up on the Rockies.
Oh wow, the hook's got stuck.
All right, guys, that's 8 fish. What are you doing, dude? All right, you want to go in? All right, guys, there's 8 fish right there. That dude didn't want to be handled. Looks like the rock bass are biting. All right, guys, so me and Noah are about to wrap it up. We caught a total of 8 fish, 2 rock bass and 6 smallmouth. That does equal 8 fish. Yeah, the bait we were using were Sinkos and wacky rigs. That's all we used. That's probably the best bait to use in these streams. Again, this is where we're fishing at. Pretty clear water. The biggest bass we caught was probably a 2-pound smallmouth for a 1.5 pound smallie. We used 2 rods, 2 spinning rods, basically on fluorocarbon line with keyworms, like I said. I think Noah was throwing a smaller profile and also throwing a bigger profile. They seemed like they wanted a big profile, but again, that's pretty awesome. We caught a total of 8 fish. Our goal was 10, so we were only 2 short. At first, we were hesitant because we weren't catching any fish at all, and we were really worried, but then we found them, we located them, and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching another exciting episode of Hook 'n Bass 92. As always, catch big fish. Have a good day. See ya.